How to change quality on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually change quality on Amazon Prime app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, if you're not being able to change the quality, it's very simple. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and then open up Prime Video. Once you open the Prime Video app, you can see this is how it's going to look like. And what you have to do is, from the very top right corner, simply tap on this little profile icon and then tap on the gear icon again, which is at the top right. Once you do that, you'll see all these various options. And what you have to do is go to the one which says stream and download. And you can select quality. So you can say download quality versus you can see streaming quality. So if you want to change streaming quality, select this and you can see best, better, good, and data saver. You can also see the amount of gigabytes it takes and consumes up to hour. So if you set it to best, it is basically going to consume 1.82 gigabytes per hour. Better is going to consume 0.72. Good is going to consume 0.18. And data saver is just going to consume 0.12 GB per hour, which is 120 MB. So this is basically it on how you can change quality. So you could also go ahead and use the highest quality if possible on Wi-Fi. If you want to change the download quality, come back and then you'll find download quality button. Select best, better, good, data saver, or always ask any of the one which you wish in order to go ahead and change the quality. And this is simply it. This is how you can change quality on Amazon Prime. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.